Hello again and welcome back to the Life Kawaii. It is the season for hot chocolate, hoodies, and lots of warm, snuggly things. So with that in mind, I went to Amazon and I did what I usually do whenever winter starts to rear its ugly head, and I ordered what I thought would be a very comfortable hoodie. So this will be a video of me opening my Amazon package, showing you how it came, and then also doing a few different looks with the hoodie. Okay, so here we go. Opening this up, and here we have it. Here we go. It is a sweater with a hood and a good material. I think whenever I was looking at what I wanted, I tried to pick something that was going to be in a material that I actually liked. Let me take a look here and see if I can find DJT. That's the brand, DJT. And where? Here we go. Yeah, so 36% cotton. So it does have a little bit of polyester in it, but if I'm going to wear a cheap sweatshirt or something, I don't mind if it's an affordable piece. I just want to make sure that it's not completely polyester. I do not want all of that plastic on my skin. So I will quickly just try this on so you guys can see what it looks like. And then I will also style it with one or two different things so that you can see different ways to wear it. Alright. Let me show you the hood because that's the fun part. It's like a double hood. See that? So here's roughly what it looks like. Has very cool sleeves. So let me now pair this with some different things that I have in my closet so you can see different ways to wear this. So a few thoughts before we go with trying on the hoodie. I just wanted to say that I really love the two hoods. I didn't realize whenever I ordered this that it actually had two hoods. I somehow totally missed that in the design. So I really like that it has a double hood because it will be very warm. And I also really like the crisscross shape in the front. So this effect in the front. The only other thing I wanted to tell you guys about with the sizing, let me tell you the size that I got in this. I'm pretty sure I sized up. No, okay, so I did order my size. I'm usually a small, I ordered a small. I do think it's a little bit big, but I guess that depends on how you like your hoodies to fit. I usually prefer a shorter hoodie. But I like the looseness of the design. So I would say if you're going to try this out yourself or you want to get one of these, try to think about how long you want yours to be and how loose or fitted you want it to be. I don't like for my hoodies to be fitted. That just kind of, to me, defeats the purpose of a hoodie, because it should be comfortable in your slouchy clothes or like your street look. So I don't want mine to be fitted. Even whenever you do kawaii looks with the anime sweaters, if you're trying to go for an anime outfit, those girls don't wear fitted sweaters either. If anything, they're long like this and they pull at the bottom. That is the anime hoodie outfit, so to speak. But yeah, I ordered a size small, so that is my real size. If you order one, just think about your true size, and if you want yours more fitted, go a size down. And if you want it more loose, or if you are going for that fun kawaii look, maybe even go a size up just so it pulls more at the bottom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I had a lot of fun putting together those 3 very different looks, and I will see you next time at the Life Kawaii.